The future. The polar ice caps have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called WaterWorld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned. Until now.
Mac, what do you got?
It's a woman! It looks like... it's Helen!
Return signal! Open the gates!
Close the gates! Mac! Keep a lookout! Sage! Come help me!
It's so good to see you alive! Where you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt. How'd you come by it?
I've been to dry land.
Dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and the Smokers are after me.
What?
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Max, sound the alarm, Helen! Get to that tower, quick! This is not a drill, get out of here now! Robert, I need you to lock down the gateway. Make sure nothing gets it, go! Help! Seaplane! They have a seaplane! I lost it, Max! You got eyes, where is it?
Incoming from the south!
Take cover!
Straight to the wall!
Cover it now! The gate, comrade! Lock it down! Smokers in the atoll!
Hi. Who's got that thing? Where'd that thing go? Hold it up. A little kid has got my golf ball. No, it's okay. It's okay. We might need these people. Bag this. Did that hurt? Walk it off. Brothers and sisters!
Yeah, you hear that, Deacon? You hear that? These are not your brothers and sisters, am I right?
Shut him up! Shut up! Roll it up! Thank you. Desolate children! You poor lost souls on this floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Yes, dry land. We're going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon! I won't let you. And neither will the mariner.
Whoa, 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 whoa. The mariner. Hey, Chuck, shut that gate. Shut it. Yeah, I see that. You talking about your boyfriend? Your half man, half fish boyfriend, the guy that poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that what we're talking about now?
Bring me the girl. Bring me with me. Hi. Can I help you smoke?
No, thanks.
Don't do that. Oh, I see. You like games, don't you? You wanna play games? We'll play. Yeah, absolutely. Keep an eye on her for me, will ya? Guys, what have you got up there?
We got an A-caller! And he's got dirt!
Dirt. Well, I need to know the way to dry land. So, the game is called The First One That Talks Lives.
No, you leave him alone!
Well, that makes you the winner.
Helen! Don't you tell him anything!
Oh, and this guy's a loser! Drop him! You're gonna tell me where dry land is, Helen, or you're next. Jet ski are approaching at high speed! Why don't you shoot him? He's gone! Gone? He's gone.
He's going under the water!
Oh, it's him! The Mariner's under the water. I need gunfire!
Oh yeah, you got one eye.
She's getting away!
Run, 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 run.
fish boy. He's not your kind. Shut! Let's fillet this flounder. That's how it's done! We need to go! I'll make your move. It's dead! Find me another weapon, will you? You're genuinely starting to annoy me. You're not going to ruin my plans to try and land your gill-neck, mutated freak. I need a weapon! Give me a weapon, Chuck. Weapon!
Hey, boss! How about this?
Are you alright?
No!
You're an idiot. Well, come on. Yeah. Let's go. Me and you. And against Stick.
Hey! You've got something on your face! On yours!
I think we got him!
Helen! Stop kicking people. Why is he still alive? I want him dead! Get on top and get that secret back in here. I'm gonna blast everything to Kingdom Come. I'll take care of the freak. Stupid. Shut up, I'm working. Don't hurt me! Alright, I got it. I need something bigger. Whoa. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, fish boy. Look what I found. Big Bertha. I sliced it. Will you do me a favor up there and stand in one spot? Woo. You don't got it. You're gonna use Chuck as a shield. I hate Chuck. Yes! Thank you. Golly gee, a single tear will sell me cheap. Get up. Somebody signal my seaplane. Somebody? Okay. How do you like that? I think all of mine are dead. Yeah? Well, your boyfriend is dead too. Climb the ladder. Climb it. I've got a brand new vision. Pilgrimage for two to dry land. It'll be me and you, Helen. This figure of the two of us, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. But why don't you just show me the way?
Okay.
You better go pack! We got a plane to catch! Helen! Come on, fish boy! Let's go! Woo! Let us decide the fate of the new world. You want the man or fish? Turn you on. You're not going anywhere, Helen. Now with a hole in your boat. No. Yeah! Yes! Oh! You hit my plane! Hero! Pull it up! Pull it! Well. You crashed my plane. Nevertheless, I got your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so! Because you don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
And what? Hey,
roams the four points of the compass on the endless seas of WaterWorld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of WaterWorld. Ladies and gentlemen, you might recognize some of our performers from their work in film and television. From the upcoming movie, Babies, Ricky Fiorello. From the Blue Man Group, Chris Mendez. From the motion picture, Jaeger Emerson Key. From the Marksman, Diego Quiles. From the Rookie, Joey Wilson. And during that spectacular 45-foot fire dive from Glee, Conrad Pratt. Right now in the boat, we hear from our heroes from Cobra Kai, Caitlin Hudson. And from Hot Water, Brian Combs. From Dexter, Original Sin, my name is Greg Dahl. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day at Universal Studios, Hollywood.
We hope you've enjoyed this performance of WaterWorld and that you are enjoying your stay here at Universal Studios Hollywood. As you